importing Dot3D data into 3DF Zephyr. With 3DF Zephyr's modern update, you no longer need to use compatibility mode when importing data. First, get the extension that allows you to import DP data directly from this website shown here. It will download an external program that you can click through to get the extension set up automatically with 3DF Zephyr. Click OK on all the things that are needed, and at the end, it will prompt you to restart your PC. I've already installed it on mine, so we're going to not do that for the sake of the demonstration. Now open 3DF Zephyr, go to Import, and select Import Model. Now find the data you want to import into 3DF Zephyr and select it. The program will now import the data. This will be sped up for the sake of the video. Your data can now be viewed inside the 3DF Zephyr app.